Oh my goodness. Hi everyone, it's Hannah Faith. At nagbabalik naman po ang pambansang dinuno ni Ken Suson. Andyan ka. Extend na lang tayo maganon. I don't have an energy. Kasi I just got home. It's around 9:41 p.m. And I didn't expect na today release yung bago nilang music. Actually, today ata rin yung album nila, yung newest album nila. And I haven't heard any song, wala pa akong napapakinggan. Kasi I wanna do a separate reaction video about it. But now, I'm gonna do a reaction video regarding to the newest MV, a song, which is titled Emoji. And before we start, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like, share, and comment. And yeah, I didn't expect that it's today. Like, I've seen the post ata yesterday na mag-release nga sila ng MV sa Emoji. Lagi na lang silang pasawag. Like, ano ba? Ano talaga SB19? Full of surprises. So like, grabe kayo SB19. And now, I think may kakolab sila dito. Kasi, nakita ko siya sa feed ko sa IG kanina lang. As in, yung pagkarating ko, sabi ko, ano to? Bakit may MV na agad? Hindi ko kasi nabasa if anong date. Or nag-post ba sila ng date kung kailan yung release ng MV ba? Kasi nagulat na lang talaga ako na meron silang ganito. So, ngayon, nag-reaction video tayo. And nasa 76k views na siya, 2 hours ago. At sorry guys, as in, kaka-skincare ko lang, etc. Kaya ganito itsura natin. Okay. Kasi sabi ko, okay, sige. Kaya pa naman ng konti ng powers ko. So, kaya pa natin mag-reaction video sa Emoji. Pero I think this gonna be a futuristic based on their cover sa kanilang MV. And medyo may mga nakita na akong clips. As hindi ko siya pinanood ng todo kasi nga ayoko talaga nang i-spoil sa mga MV. So, I think this is a futuristic MV. Emoji. Ano kayang klaseng ataka ng kanta to? Anyway, ay oo nga, collab nga siya. SB19X Jolene. Emoji. I see. Pasabog talaga sila. I think this is an international artist. I mean, music artist. Kasi I haven't heard Jolene. Or baka narinig ko na yung kanta niya. Hindi lang ako familiar sa music niya. Ay, sa kanya siguro. So, this is my first time to hear Jolene. So, let's see, guys, mga guys. Pagpasahan dyan nila yung tsura ko. It's a 4-minute video. And let's do this. And baka i-mute ko or tanggalin ko yung instrumental so on para hindi ako maka-copyright and stream. Para i-stream nyo rin yung mismong MV, okay? Ito na! This is it! Okay, let's do this. Sana hindi mag-lag kasi naka-data lang ako ngayon. Warning, the video. Sige, malala tayo. Ay.
I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Get the needs, skin, I'm glowing, keeping it cute, keep it excited.
Read the cover for a messy place. Once in my mind cannot be traced. And I won't say much, just get the face through thumbs ups and hearts like this. And
Tap, swipe, pause, slash post, then unpause. Track big fingers crossed.
Had a little mind sitting out.
I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. Game time, nagutaguan ng feelings in my side. Emoji, what's a meaning, go read between the lines.
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I feel this wonderful.
Hindi!
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I feel this wonderful. Really damn beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Mask on or mask off, no telling what's true. True? Ain't that what we all do, but I'm talking to you.
I don't like the fear. These 40 things I fear. Emoji knows the drill.
Get it? What's up, what's up, what's up?
it cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Zoom in close to me what you see. Subtext load against who it could be. Tag yourself, odds of the team.
Korean?
Set the face, yeah.
Korean,
play
ano
the
siya,
role.
singer?
Digital good arms off the gold. Tap, tap, refresh. I'm the reason you scroll. Aim me to chest, don't type LOL. If you want the real thing, you gotta be bold. If you read my emojis, read the whole. I'm a filter queen with a private soul. Yeah, I'm a filter queen with a private
Carlos
soul.
Angeline.
Wanna be a vulnerable.
Oh my God.
Feels wonderful. Really damn beautiful.
Bagay kay Kintong MV din na to.
Vulnerable. See, I built this wonderful. To really damn beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Mask on, no mask
Really
on. Come
cool.
tell me what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But
Hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the thrill, the story things I found. Emoji knows the drill. You're dead. Don't fake it cause it's real. That everybody's feeling. Emoji knows the drill. Dead. What's up, what's up, what's up?
You know that I'm right here, even if I'm not here. You find like, yeah, goddamn.
Woo! Gento. Gento. Char. Yung kulay kasi yung Ariel.
I kinda like the thrill. The story things I feel. Emoji knows the drill. Yeah, I think it cause it's real. Let everybody feel. Emoji knows the drill.
I love that part ng Justin. Tapos na! Need to breathe. Like, oh, okay. That's a collab music video with Jolene. And what can I say about the song? Pero hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yung kapogian ni Justin dito sa music video na to. Like, sorry Ken, but then si Justin yun ang ibabaw for today's video.
Selos. Hindi mo maitatanggi na selos ka pag may ibang kinakasama yun.
And what can I say about the song? It's kind of refreshing because mas maraming English sa kantang to. Parang konti lang yung narinig kong Tagalog. Since I think, it's a pansin nyo, it's not like pure English na kanta pero there's still a Tagalog. The music video, it's giving an ASAP vibes. Alam mo, sa ASAP ito pa-perform, pero in a very futuristic way. ayun yung na-feel ko. Para sila magpa-perform sa isang stage. Ganon. First time ko ma-encounter si Jolene. So, let's see. Search ko yung mga kanta niya. Kasi baka naririnig ko na yung kanta. Hindi ko lang alam na siya pala yung singer. So, let's search Jolene. So, nakaya pa ng laptop ko kasi lobat na talaga. Like, na-charge na ako ng konting what? Taiwanese pala siya! Taiwanese pala siya, kaya pala. Hindi ako masyadong familiar sa mga Taiwanese na singer. 45 years old na siya! Pwede nga! What? Hindi halata! Oh my gosh! Mas mukha pa ata ako matanda sa kanya. Oh my gosh! Amazing! Girl, mukha na siyang 20 plus, like 27.
Emojis with the
45! What? Oh my gosh, I didn't know na ano pala siya. Lang masasabi ko sa kanta ng nung kanta nilang ginawa, Emoji. Anong tingin niyo? What is your hypnosis? What's your hypnosis about the latest music ng SB19? And I can't wait to listen na rin doon sa mga bagong nilang release. Sabi nila may nakakaiyak daw. So like, oh my gosh. Siguro tomorrow na lang kasi I don't have any energy to react on it. Ito lang yung kaya ng powers ko. But then, congratulations kasi meron silang kakolab na international artist din. So, congratulations, Jolene Music. Nakapag-collab na rin pala siya sa mga Blackpink. Feeling ko talaga, narinig ko na siya. Hindi ko lang alam na siya pala yung singer. Wait, let's hear this. Guys, hindi ko pa talaga narinig yung mga kanta ni Jolene. As in, I've never heard it. So, ngayon ko lang na siya narinig. So, thank you SB19 that in-introduce siya sa akin. So, I might listen to her songs as well. But then, congratulations again SB19 for this another achievement. Kaya di nila napapanood to, but kayo nakakapanood. Pakasabi na ng telepathy sa kanila na congratulations and more collab. Alam niyo yung parang minamanifest ko rin makakolab niya si Bruno Mars. As in, it's gonna be very amazing, chaotic kapag naging kakolab nila ang SB19, ang Bruno Mars. So like, hoping sa mga Blackpink ganun. Oh my gosh, I can't wait na mangyari yun. Anyway, guys, yun lang naman. I'll try na mag-reaction video about sa mga album nila tomorrow. So, yun lang guys. And please subscribe and let me know kung anong thoughts nyo dito sa latest upload nila na kanta and music video. But I can say it's a very futuristic. Guys, ang masabi ko talaga, ang highlight dito sa akin ay si Justin. Ako lang ba? Sorry talaga, Ken. Sorry, Ken. But then, si Justin yung naging your bias record ko talaga si Justin. Anyway, ang dami kong daldal. Yun lang, guys. Bye! Follow niyo ako sa IG.